Hello everyone, it's just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this REESE Brakeman 4 compact brake controller. This is the vehicle in. So here's everything that comes in the box. Here's the actual brake controller. We are going to have to hook it up to a connector here. Here's the little bracket that you can use to mount it. You could mount it underneath your dash like this. We're going to take this little piece of plastic off. This is for testing the brakes. This is the plus and minus for the gain and the sync. Here's what it looks like around back. You do get a bag of screws for mounting the bracket and then also mounting the bracket to the device. You've got two locations there you can mount it. There's those screws. There's all the different, you can under the dash at an angle, up top, you can put it on top of the dash. So there's what the wires mean. The black one is the vehicle power, the red is the stoplight, the white is vehicle ground, and blue is the trailer brakes. So again, we have gain and sync. Let's talk about the gain. The output gain control establishes the maximum amount of power available to the trailer brakes. As the gain is increased, more power will be available to the brakes when the brake pedal is pressed or the manual control is used. The output gain control would be adjusted during initial setup when the trailer load changes. The gain setting is shown on the digital display when a trailer is connected and the brake pedal is pressed. Or this is the manual. This is like pressing the brakes. That's the manual brake control. Now let's talk about the sync. The sync control adjusts the trailer brake aggressiveness. The trailer brakes become more aggressive as the sync plus button is depressed. To view the sync settings on the display, press the brake pedal or the brake, either your brake pedals or this, and it will display. So you got to press the brake pedal and then press one of these pluses or minuses, and then it will display the sync setting. It is shown 1 through 9, 0 being the least aggressive, 9 being the most. Now the manual control, that's that slide lever. That's used during initial setup. It applies the trailer brakes and would be used during initial setup. When it's moved over to the left side, it's gradually going to increase the trailer brakes. So if you have just a dot, that means it's got power, but no trailer is connected. Okay, let's measure the device. It's 2 3/4 by about 4 inches. Thickness wise is about 1 inch. And the cable coming off the back is about 7 inches long. Now here I have another, this doesn't come with it, but this is the connector I'm going to use for my Toyota. This is specific for the different types of vehicles, but my Toyota Tundra should have a connector that I can connect this to, ground this wire, and now I can connect this to my controller, and then my brakes should work. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.